Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
On 22nd March, the Defence Acquisition Council held a meeting chaired by Defence Minister Shri Rajnath Singh. In a big boost to the modernization of Indian Armed Forces, the Defence Acquisition Council has accorded acceptance of necessity for capital acquisition proposal of armed forces amounting to rupees 8,357 crore. And the most important part of this modernization is push towards the indigenization. All the defense acquisition proposals have been approved under Buy Indian IDDM category with focus on indigenous design and development and manufacturing in India. The AoNs accorded by DAC include procurement of night sight image intensifier, light vehicles GS4x4, air defense fire control radar light, and GSAT 7B satellite. If we look into details, it includes procurement of around 30,000 night sight or image intensifier for assault rifles at a cost of rupees 1400 crore and 5,000 GS 4x4 light vehicles for rupees 760 crore. It also includes some lightweight air defense fire control radars. Also, in order to encourage the innovation, the DAC has accorded consolidated AoN for procurement of 14 items amounting rupees 380.43 crore from iDEX startups and MSMEs. Talking about the GSAT satellites, GSAT 7 is a multi-band communication satellite named Rukmini. Indian Navy is the primary user of this satellite, which carries payload in UHF, C-band and KU band. It is the first dedicated military communication satellite launched way back on 29th August 2013. ISRO launched a second satellite, GSAT 7A, for Indian Air Force on 19th December 2018 on its geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle GSLV F-11. In November last year, the DAC had also given the initial node to rupees 2,236 crore proposal to launch the GSAT 7C satellite for Indian Air Force. And now the new GSAT 7B satellite will be for Indian Army and it will cost around rupees 4,600 crore. All modernization requirements of defense forces is to be indigenously sourced and can be imported only as an exception. Acquisition of these equipments and system is going to enhance the operational preparedness of armed forces by providing better visibility, enhanced mobility, improved communication and increased capability of detecting enemy aircraft. Now, in order to reduce the financial burden on defense industry, the requirement of IPBG is to be dispensed with the earnest money deposit EMD to be introduced as bid security and pre-contract integrity pact, which covers up to contract stage. EMD will be applicable only for proposals of rupees 100 crore and above, and MSMEs and startups will be exempted from EMD, that is earnest money deposit. Vendors whose products are successfully trial evaluated will be provided a certificate to that effect. iDEX and make-to procedures have been further simplified, thereby compressing the timelines and ensuring early placement of contracts on successful iDEX and make-to vendors. DAC accorded acceptance of necessity for procurement of 14 iDEX products within 30 months of contract for prototype development. AoN to procurement timelines have been reduced from 2+ years to 5 months, keeping in line with the innovation system.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.